In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn off dates on WordPress posts step by step. If you want a cleaner blog design, or you're publishing evergreen content that shouldn't look outdated over time, removing the post date can make a big difference. The good news is, you don't need any coding skills to do this. You can turn off dates directly from your WordPress customizer in just a few clicks. I'll walk you through the entire process so you can follow along easily. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple WordPress tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're inside the admin area, look at the left-hand menu. Hover over Appearance and then click on Customize. This will open the WordPress theme customizer, where you can adjust how your website looks in real time. Depending on your theme, the layout might look slightly different, but the core options are usually very similar. After the customizer loads, look for an option called Post Types. Go ahead and click on Post Types. This section allows you to control how different types of content appear on your website, including blog posts. If you don't immediately see post types, your theme might group it under blog or content settings, but in most modern themes it's clearly labeled. Once you're inside post types, click on Blog or Archive. This section controls how your blog posts appear on your main blog page and archive pages. Here you can adjust layout settings, featured images, meta information, and more. What we're focusing on is the meta section, because that's where the post date is displayed. Now look for the meta settings. Inside this section, you'll see different elements that can be shown or hidden, such as the author name, categories, comments, and the post date. Next to each item, there should be an eye icon. This icon controls visibility. To turn off the dates on your WordPress posts, simply click the eye icon next to the date option. Once you click it, the date will be hidden from your blog layout preview immediately. Take a moment to look at the live preview on the right-hand side of the screen. You should now see that the dates are no longer visible on your posts. This gives your blog a cleaner and more timeless appearance, especially if your content is designed to stay relevant for years. If everything looks good, click the Publish button at the top of the customizer. This is very important. If you don't click Publish, your changes won't be saved. Once published, the dates will officially be removed from your blog posts across your website. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to turn off dates on WordPress posts without using any plugins or custom code. It's quick, simple, and completely beginner-friendly. Before you go, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy WordPress tutorials. I regularly post step-by-step guides to help you customize and improve your website. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.